Hello my viewers, welcome back again to my channel. Welcome to another video in my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can make this hair for yourself and also use it to style hair for your daughter or for yourself. Watch till the end. Let's see how we do it. I'm going to be using 4 packs for this hairstyle, 2 for one and 2 for the other one. And I'm going to part the hair from this ear down to the other ears. So I'm done with the parting. So this is how I'm going to do it. Just follow my hands, guys. See the way I'm parting it. So I'll weave this one just down. When I'm done, I will weave the other one back. Then this is how I was able to achieve the cutting from the front. If you notice it, you know I don't use much gel on my kids hair. That's because I moisturize it before I start making their hair. So I normally moisturize their hair before I start it. Even this one I moisturize, but I didn't do it um on camera. I did it behind the camera. So and be sure to always moisturize your hair or your daughter's hair before you make it. So and it make the hair soft. You don't make them cry. If you can see, as you can see, my daughter is just busy washing her tablet. She's not feeling it because the hair is very soft. Is easy for me to make, and it's also easy for her too. So I would really recommend you, before you make your hair, before you always style hair, no matter the hair, moisturize it. It helps a lot, I'm telling you. So the way I'm parting it now, just the way I part the first part, this is the same way I'm doing the same side now. So just use the gel to straighten the part. When I'm done, then I just weave it. So I'm moving this hair without any, I'm not attaching any extension to it. I'm just making the her natural hair. So it's our natural hair all through. If this is your first time coming across my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate you. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. My returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our video. Please, you guys should help us to like this video, comment, and also help us to share. The little way you guys can support us is by sharing our video. So guys, I am done with the zigzag part. Now I'm going to just make this one 2 lines down. Very simple. 2 lines down. I'm done parting it. Hair come inside. So I'm going to make the same thing at the side. Then after that, I'll start weaving the other part and just line back. So there's a reason why I did that. So when you just keep watching, you will see the reason why I made the other side straight lines back. Guys, don't mind the way I'm talking. If you hear my voice, it's as if I'm walking. I'm not walking. I'm just in one place. As you see that I am. I'm just managing to make the hair because my belly is big. Thank God for that. So I'm just kind of managing myself. Like to start, I have to, even if I'm expecting, I have to be also be making my kids say right. So that's what I'm just doing. So see these lines back now. So there's a way I have to lay this hair on it. That is why I make it like this. So these two, I will add one first. So after I weave it for some time, then before I will add the other one. So the back is just an easy style. Cut it round, then weave it, cut it round again. When I'm moving the second one, I will add the tip of the first one to it. So when I'm moving the third one, I'll add the tip of the both the first and the second one together. So everything at the end do not become one. So now I am done with the hair. I just rubber band to hold it. So now I want to make this hairstyle. Now here is my hair packer, and here is the hair I'm going to be using. So my daughter is holding it for me. Then I'm going to be tying it one little by little, bit by bit, until two packs is finished. So now that I'm done, I comb it. Then I have to pick out the excess tip, so to blend it to make everything uniform together. So when I'm done doing it, I just use the packer, the remaining parts. No, there's no way you do it. You cover the packer. If not, you can't use the packer to hold the hair. So I made it like this, then push it to it. Because it's packer anyway, anyhow you push it to it will stand. So if it's for a big person, I would have make it more fuller and it will still stand. So you see, I can decide to remove it, to just leave it like that, or how to just pack it like that without putting hair. can still decide to put it. So I really like it this way, the way I made the hair. So see, this is the style. Tell me, how do you feel about the hair? Do you like it?